notes. Okay. Ato, ang bagong-bago. Anybody here in the class knows about REITs? REITs? Sikat na sikat to. Anybody? Sino dito naka-invest sa REITs sa Philippine Stock Exchange? Can anybody on the floor raise hand? Walang idea when it comes to REITs? Anyone? Okay. So what is a REIT? Okay, Real Estate Investment Trust. Okay, this is quite a last 2 years ago medyo sikat ito, no. So real estate investment trust are companies that own and operate or finance income producing real estate across various sectors. They provide a way for investors to earn income through real estate without physically owning the property. So most of the time, paano ginagawa ng REITs? No? It's actually handled by a corporation. No? 80 to 90% of the earnings is declared to the investor. 10% will be the management fee for the corporation. And ang kagandahan with the REIT fund, no, is actually it's actually mimicking a real estate, owning a real estate. So ang problem kasi, like for example, if you are an investor, you are limited to a specific budget. Sabihin natin, ikaw mag-isa ka lang. So makakabili ka lang ng isang condominium. Kung isa lang condominium mo, kung wala nagrenta doon, patay ang negosyo mo. The main objective of REIT, no, is for you, even though that you have only limited time of budget, naka-spread out yung pera natin. No? Now, kung naka-spread out yung pera natin, so what will happen to it? Okay? Yung for example, yung isang specific building, walang nagrerenta doon, may sumasalo na ibang building. Kung ikaw lang mag-isa as an investor for it, hindi mo kaya i-diversify ng ganong kalaki. But if you invested on a REIT fund, no, you have the capacity to spread it out. Kasi this is most of the time the funds are gathered and pooled. So hindi ka tatamaan ng, for example, if there are some investments sa real estate na hindi masyadong working for you. So ano nangyayari ngayon? Continuous ngayon ang dividendo mo or yung rental income. Diba? That's how nice it is. No? Ang kagandahan din dito, REIT reflects like a real estate itself because it has two features. The first feature is the rental income, or sabihin natin in the fund perspective, it is a dividend, no? And the capital appreciation. Diba? Ano yung capital appreciation? Anyone? Oy, mag-participate naman kayo. Anyone? What is capital appreciation? Can someone tell me what is a capital appreciation? Please type on the box. I have a gift for you at the end of the session. Kung meron magalagay ng answer, what is capital appreciation? Anyone? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So capital appreciation, okay. Capital appreciation talks about yes, pagtaas ng value ng isang asset. Okay, Katrina said increase in investment. Okay, pwede yun, no? Katrina, no? Jean says pagtaas ng value ng isang asset. Pwede. Okay. Capital growth. Sabi ni Noreen, increase in market value. Correct. Okay. So ang nakakuha is si Noreen. Nauna si Noreen. So Noreen, congrats. Leslie Marie Santos, increase in the market value, possible, no? Capital growth, correct, no? Yung capital kasi dalawa, 'di ba pag nag-i-invest tayo, dalawa yung ano natin, no, ang objective. So yung income natin doon, dalawa. The first is your capital. Meron kasing iba fixed income lang. Ibig sabihin, I give you the money, okay, then you give me the interest. Gano'n lang 'yon, 'no? 'Yun ang trabaho ng bonds. 'Yun ang trabaho ng mga TD or time deposits, 'no? But for real estate investment trust, 'no, there is the capital growth feature. Yung capital mo tumataas along with the dividends. Ang kagandahan dito, dividends is continuous because it is real estate. Beautiful, no? So, habang tumataas, it reflects the growth of a real estate. O sabihin natin yung condominium, every month nakakaroon ka ng 15,000 na income, 15,000, 15,000, 15,000, okay? After after what do you call it? After 2 years, 3 years, nag-jack up ng 15% yung value ng condominium mo. That's capital growth. And that is what is happening today. Ganda, no? Beautiful. Okay. Let's proceed. Any questions? Pag wala, ha? Just type on the box. If you have questions, open discussion tayo dito. Okay. Okay. Next is index funds. Okay. I think let's skip this one already because I already discussed that. Index fund is mostly following the Philippine, a specific country, no? So index funds is just following a specific